To make an origami mouse, first fold a square piece of paper in half diagonally both ways and unfold it. Then, fold the bottom left edge up to the vertical center crease. Repeat with the bottom right edge, then unfold both edges. Now, do the same thing with the top left and right edges, but don't unfold them. Lift up one of the flaps and fold the corner over to the vertical crease along the existing creases. Repeat with the other flap so you have two new smaller flaps. Next, fold one of the flaps down and bring the diagonal edge up to the horizontal crease in the center. Do the same thing with the other flap. Flip the model over and fold the bottom point up so it's halfway between the horizontal crease and the top point. Then, fold the bottom corners so the folds make a straight, diagonal line between the ends of the horizontal line and the bottom point on the model. To make your mouse's ears, turn the model over and mount and fold it in half lengthwise. Next, take the flap on top and fold it over and then back. Turn the model over and repeat with the flap on the other side. Stick your finger into the ear flaps to make them round. To make your mouse's tail, fold the long half of the model in on itself so the end is pointing downward. Then, bring the end of the tail up and push it inside of that fold. Finally, open the tail and fold the corners in so that it's thinner.